Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 6. My name is Gaia, and we're doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days for maximum benefit. Now, if you just stumbled upon this video and want to do it on its own, that is perfectly fine. However, if you want to join us for the full challenge, I will link everything down below. Today we are starting in a deep squat, a very gentle, very nice version of a deep squat. So just make your way onto all fours first. And then broaden the feet to the edges of your mat and allow yourself to sink down. Now here, if you notice that your heels are coming off, you can also roll the edge of your mat and then place your heels on the edge of that roll so that you can have the full support on your feet. You can have your arms on the inside of your knees, so elbows gently pressing into the knees and your hands coming together into prayer position. Or if you want to, you can also have them on the mat for some additional support. You really can choose whatever works best for you here. And also, if your back curves a little, this is fine today because we are working very passively. So again, it's your choice whether you want to be more engaged, keeping a more straight back, maybe even pressing the knees apart, or slightly more passive, really sinking deep into your hips in this way. So just choose what works for you, and I will let you know when it's time to come out. Gently release the arms down to your mat if you haven't already. Lean a bit forward, a bit back, just inviting some movement here. And then simply sit down. Bring your legs out in front of you. Give them a little shake. And we'll move into a half butterfly. So extend your left leg out to the side. The right leg comes in. Turn towards your left leg. You can keep the leg flexed or pointed. It depends on what works best for your body. And then just allow yourself to passively curve down. So a round spine is perfectly fine here. And you really don't have to go deep. We're working very passively today. Just allow your head to hang heavy, the spine curving, and allow yourself to settle here. Gently roll yourself back up, face forward, and we're going to switch legs. This time the right leg extends out to the side, the left leg comes in. Take a moment to settle here first, and then turn towards your right leg. And again, we are passively folding down, so no force, no pushing, just allowing the spine to naturally curve. Again, it doesn't matter how deep you go. The only thing we're focusing here is that we are allowing our torso, our head, our neck to be heavy, relaxed, and loose. Gently roll yourself back up. Recenter yourself. And then make your way into Savasana. So extending the legs long, letting the feet flop to the sides. Bringing your arms down by your side as well, with the palms facing up. Lengthen the back of your neck. And really allow yourself to sink against your mat. Allow your body to be heavy, loose, relaxed. And I will guide you back out when it's time. If you have perhaps drifted off somewhere, just gently invite your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto your side first. And then use your arms to help press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, connect with the day that you've had. And as that connection blooms, just see what is one thing today that you can appreciate, be grateful for, celebrate, or maybe be proud of. Just allow yourself to tap into one thing that evokes those feelings, and then allow yourself to amplify them, to let them sink into every cell of your body. Allow them to fill your heart with every breath that you take. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.